Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir me sada Sakshat Kratam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Vivasam Prittau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenakshara Samamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Badaruchim Ashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhetamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now of Pataha. Ramaji can start reading.
Mata Duhita Ita Bharta Jamata Patihi Patni Putraha Agnya Shishuhu Ganam Duhita Bhartuhu Griham Gachati. Gachati is Kriyapadam. Ka Gachati Duhita Gachati. Kutra Gachati Griham Kasya Griham Bhartu Griham. Here, okay, Latlakara, this is Latlakara, Ekavachanam. So, Duhitarau, but
I'll show you the format. Yes. Yeah.
Duhitarau, Bhartuhu Griham Gachati. Should I change that Bhartuhu Griham also, Sharanji?
Bhartuhu is in Shashti Vibhakti. That will remain as it is. Yeah.
Vachanam, I need not change there.
Vachanam. Not required. Yeah.
Okay. Duhitaraha Bhartuhu Griham Gachanti.
Yeah. If you can do other lakaras, gam gachdatu, see, gamla dhatu. Dhatu is gamla. Gatau. Lang lakara it would be.
Will be Duhita Agachat will be the form. Duhita Bhartuhu Griham Agachat.
Yes.
Dvivachanam will be Agachatam Duhitarau Bhartuhu Griham Agachatam. Duhitaraha Bhartuhu Griham Agachan. Islang Lakara. Then Lakshatru will be Duhita Bhartuhu Griham Agachanti Asti.
Agachanti.
Oh, sorry. Gachanti Asti. Yeah. Then.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Anyway, started. Then other lakaras also you can do.
Ling
Fine.
lakara.
Yeah, ling lakara.
Okay. So duhita bhartuhu griham gachet. Then lit will be gamishyati.
No, gachet is ekavachanam. Then
Ekvachanam. Then dvivachanam will be duhitarau bhartuhu griham gachetam. Yeah. Then duhitaraha bhartuhu griham gacheyuhu is ling lakara.
lot.
Lot will be duhita. Oh, so then lot means then the subject will be Sambodhana, Sharanji.
No, not required.
Okay.
Duhita bhartugam gachatu. Let the, yeah, not required. Lot, if it is only Sambodhana, then why it is such like that? Why such?
No, I thought we are addressing.
No, lot and link. What about linked? Need not be there. Let the daughter-in-law. Sorry. Let the daughter go to the husband's house. So Gita Bhartugam Gachatu. So need not have any Sambodhana.
Then duhitarau bhartuhu griham gachatu. Gachatam.
Yes.
Then duhitaraha bhartuhu griham gachantu.
Okay. Lang lakara already you have done. And ta pratyaya.
Yeah, is gam dhatu. Gatavati is the duhita, so gatavati. Griham gatavati.
Or gata also.
Gata. Yeah.
Dugita gata. Dugitaraha gataha.
Gatyartha, so it is kartari.
Yes, kartari. So dugita gataha. Bhartugam, sorry, gata. Dugita bhartugam gata. Dugitaro gate. Dugitaraha gataha. And
then ta pratyaya. Duhitra bhartuhu griham gatam.
Griham gatam. So griham is the karma. So bhartuhu griham gatam. Then Drittakara, you know.
Yeah, Gamishyati. Then Trich Pratyaya will be Gatra is the form.
No. Gantru. Gum plus Trich will become Gantru. We have seen that before.
Oh, okay.
So Dhatu Gum plus Trich Pratyaya. Apadanta Makara. What will happen to Apadanta Makara? Gum plus Trich. So Apadanta Makara will become Apadanta. So that will become Anuswara. Then Anuswara followed by A will become Nakara. So Gantru the form will be. Remember the form? Or you get Nakara becomes Anuswara. Right? Apadanta Nakara, Apadanta Makara when followed by Chav letter. Ami that followed by Then it is becomes Anuswara. Then Anuswara followed by A letter will be Parasavarna. That's what you get. Gantru. You want me to type or remember?
No, I remember Sharanji.
Yeah. So if it is Rit Lakara, is it commission, right? Gum plus ya plus it's a state dhatu.
So Yitagama.
Therefore we get the form. Causative will be Gamayati. Causative is there. We cannot use that causative here. It's a sentence. And the dhatu alone I'm saying. The causative form is Gamayasi. Sorry, Gamayati. Then that's it. other pratyaya, whatever. It's tva pratyaya, you know, we have already seen the tva. Then with upasarga will become agatya or agamya. Two forms will be there. Remember that piece?
Yes,
That also
yes.
we have seen. So all the other krit pratyaya rupam we can. Then gamaniyam or gantavyam or gamyam, all these forms are all these kradanta forms. Okay, anyway, kradanta is going to come later, the later lesson. Other lakaras we can do. Then the next sentence. Sumati.
Sharanji.
Oh, sorry, Ganesh. Yeah. Please, you can check your name and you can read. Yeah.
Yes,
Ganesh,
Sharanji.
yes.
So Mata duhituhu shishum lalayati. So here
Lalayati.
lalayati is the kriyapadam here.
Which gana is the lalayati?
I didn't see it in Dhatu Kosha. Lal Dhatu it is. I didn't see lal.
It is in 10th gana. Lalayati. Is there any lal dhatu lal?
Lal.
Dhatu lal is there?
No, it is not in Dhatu Kosha. I didn't see it.
It's lala.
Lalang is
Then it becomes lal.
lal. Yes, correct.
Lalan.
Lala.
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 Lala dhatu is 10th gana.
Sayam.
Ipsaya.
Ipsaya.
Yes. Ipsaya.
Lala.
That becomes lalayati. Lala becomes lali. Lala plus nich will become upada. Upada vriddhi happens. Right? So
Yes.
it becomes lali. Lali plus then tip you have to get shap plus tip, you get the form. Lalayati. Lalayate also is form is there. Lalayati or lalayate. Okay.
So,
Lalayati means meaning is
to fondle or caress.
that's fondle. Yes. Please continue.
So lalayati. So ka lalayati, mata lalayati. And kim lalayati, shishum lalayati. So mata shishum. Kasyaha shishum or kasya shishum. Duhituhu shishum lalayati.
Kasyaha one. We said correct.
Kasya.
Kasyaha.
So mata duhitu shishum lalayati. And bahuvachanam and dvivachanam. Dvivachanam means mata rau duhitu shishum lalayataha. And bahuvachanam will be mataraha duhitu shishum lalayanti.
So other lakaras
Shat.
you can other lakaras can you do? I'm not added here. You can do lang lakara.
Lang lakara will be alalayat.
Yes.
So duhituhu shishum mata alalayat. Mata rau alalayatam. And bahuvachanam mataraha alalayan.
Alalayan.
And lot will be lalayatu, matarau lalayatam, and mataraha lalayantu.
Lalayantu.
And
Yes.
ling will be lalayet, matarau lalayetam, and mataraha lalayeyuhu.
Lalayu.
Lalaye
This lalayati is paraspipadi form. Lalayate also is there. So if it is atmanipadi, lalayate, then
Atmanipadi lalayate, lalayete,
lalayante.
and lalayante.
Yes. Then lang lakara will be mata.
Lang lakara will be lalayata, lalayetam.
Alalaya. Alala.
Oh, sorry.
Atagama.
Alalayat.
Alalayata.
Sorry.
No. Alalayata. Because the, okay, atmanipadi. Ta atamanta.
Alalayetam and alalayantaha.
Lalayanta.
Oh,
Ta
sorry.
atam anta.
Anta.
Alalayata,
Lalayanta.
alalayetam, alalayanta.
Lalayanta. And then lalayet in ling lakara, sorry, in
Lot lakara, random thing.
Lot-
Lot will be.
in lot lakara will be
Remember the pratyaya.
alalayatam. Lalayatam, sorry, lalayatam,
Lalayetam.
lalayetam,
Sorry,
and
no.
lalayan,
Sorry. Lalayetam is what you said. It's correct. Lalayetam.
lalayatam, lalayetam,
Lalayatam.
and lalayantam.
Yes. Tam itam antam. Okay.
And ling
Ling.
will be lalayeta,
Yes.
lalaye ya tam, lalaye, sorry, lalaye ya tam,
Lalayeyatam. Yes. The form is lalayeyatam.
and lalaye ran.
Yes, good.
Okay. Then
Then-
Shatra in this will be Mata Duhituhu Lalayanti Mata Asti.
Yeah. Lalayanti mata asti.
Then Karmani will be Mata Duhituhu, sorry, Matra.
Atra.
Duhituhu Shishum Matra. I think it is Lalyate.
Shushuhu. Okay. Matra dugituhu shishuhu lalyate. Yes.
Lalyate.
Lali plus yak plus te, that E goes away. Then you get lalyate.
Lalyate. Then Duhituhu Shishuhu Shishum. Sorry, Shishuhu. Duhituhu Shishuhu Lalyanti Matra Bhuyate.
Good.
Then we have
Lang
already
lakara.
done the Lang Lakara.
Yes. Tavatu.
And Tavatu, that will be difficult.
Lali. Okay. Dhatu is Lali. Lali plus Tavatu. So it will be Lali Tavat Pratipadikam. Srilinga
Lalitavati.
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 So Lalitavati.
So Mata Duhitu Shishum Lalitavati.
Yes.
And then it become Matra Duhituhu Shishuhu Lalitam.
Lalitaha, because Shishuhu Pullinga.
Oh, right, okay. Shishuhu Lalita. Lalita. Lalitaha. Then Rit Lakara will be Lalishyati.
Lalishyati. It's not Lalishyati. Lali is a dhatu. Lali plus Sya plus Ti. Lalayishyati, the form would be. Okay, let me type here. Dhatu is Lali, that we know, plus Sya plus Ti. So Lali will become Lale. Lale, and it is Sed Dhatu, Itagama will come. So T, and this will become Ishya. It can cause Guna. So therefore it become Lalayishyati. Right?
Yes, Lalayishyati.
Form will be Lalayishyati. Okay. Yes. Then other form you can do. Lali, I think this is enough. Okay.
Right.
Next one.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sishum, I'm sorry, Sishavaha Patrunam Ganena Tushyanti. So here the Kriya Padam is Tushyanti. The Dhatu is Tusha.
Dhatu is?
Tusha, which is breathe out.
Yeah.
And belongs to Divadi Gana, fourth Gana, and Parasmipati and Ani.
Good. Okay.
And so first it will be Sishuhu Matrunam Ganena Tushyati. That Sishu Matrunam Ganena Tushyataha. Then Sishavaha, that is there. Then in other ganas it will be
The other lakaras.
okay. Other lakaras, I'm sorry, other lakaras. Lung it will be Atushyat. So you can say Sishuhu Matrunam Ganena Atushyat. Sishu Matrunam Ganena Atushyatam. And then Sishava.
Atushyatam. Good. Okay.
Then Sishavaha Matrunam Ganena Atushyan.
Atushyan.
Then lot lakara it will be Tushyatu. So it will be Sishuhu Matrunam Ganena Tushyatu. Then Sishu Matrunam Ganena Tushyatam. Then Sishavaha Matrunam Ganena Tushyantu.
Yeah.
Then ling will be Tushye. So it will be Sishuhu Matrunam Ganena Tushyet. Then Sishu Matrunam Ganena Tushyeta. Then Sishavaha Matrunam Ganena Tushyeyuhu.
Good. Yes.
Then Shatranta will be Tushyantaha Shishava. I've taken for the primary sentence what I explained. Tushyantaha Shishavaha Matrunam Ganena Santi. And
Say again.
Tushyantaha Shishavaha Matrunam Ganena Santi.
Yes, good. That is fine. Yeah. Karmani.
Karmani will be Sishubhihi Matrunam Ganena Bhuyate.
Shishu. Again, Bhuyate. Karmani is Tushyate, right? Shishavaha.
Oh, I'm sorry. Tushyate. I'm sorry. I started doing Tushyate. I'm sorry.
No, say again.
Sishubhihi Matrunam Ganena Tushyate.
Yes. Matrunam Ganena Shishubhihi Tushyate. Yes.
Okay. And the Karmani lat will be since it's Tushyadbihi.
Let Karmani Shatu. Okay. Yeah, Tushyadbihi.
Tushyadbihi Sishubhihi Matrunam Ganena Bhuyate.
Yes. Lung, you are done.
Yeah. Then lit will it be Tokshyati Sharanji? This is what I was little. Tush
Yes.
plus ya plus ti. So Shakara will, yeah, like last time you explained for what, so I thought I'll So will it be Tokshyati?
I think so. Tokshati. Yes.
So
Tu will become to, then Shakara. Shakara will becomes Kakara.
Kakara.
Then this becomes Shakara, then the Tokshati. Yes. Tokshati, the form. So, yeah, right. Tokshati.
But how does it become Kakara, Sharanji? You was explaining last time, sorry.
More than a Shakara, right? Then are Dakara, and followed by C, Sakara.
Okay.
Then that more than a Shakara, the Dakara will be replaced by Kakara.
Okay. Thank you. I was little apprehensive about it.
It's right, yes. Then Tapratya.
Tapratya will be Sishavaha Matrunam Ganena Tushtavantaha.
Tushtavantaha, very good.
Tushtavantaha, yeah.
Yes.
Then in case of Tapratya, it will be Sishubhihi Matrunam Ganena Tushtam. Because it is Akarmaka.
Yes. Tushtam.
Tushtam.
Okay. Then this Trich will be the form of Trich. What will be the form of Trich?
Tush plus Trich.
Will become?
Tush.
Guna will happen.
Oh, Toshtris.
Yeah, the form of the Pratipadikam will be Toshtr.
Toshtri.
The Pratipadikam will be
Ah,
Toshtr, right? Tush plus Trich. Tuguna will happen and Stuttam will happen. So Toshtr, so Toshta, Toshtaro, Toshta, Raha, like Karta Shabda. Toshtaram,
okay.
Toshtaro, iti, that declension will be.
Okay, sure. Toshtri.
Right.
Yeah.
Strilinga, if you want, you can add E pratyaya, become Toshtri. The form is Toshtri, Nadi Shabdavat. Right?
Yeah.
Then from this only you get the word Santosha and all. That is causative form. Tush plus Nich will become Toshi. Toshayati. Santoshayati. Cause to make happy. That is pleasing. Make someone please. Toshayati. Santoshayati. Right? Tushyati is pleased. Toshayati, causing someone to please.
Okay.
Okay. Then other forms we can do when it comes. We'll see. Shanach and all, but the sentence have to be like that. Okay. Next person. After Sumati.
It's me.
1 minute. I'll show you the screen. Yeah. Yes, please read.
Patni patyuhu ajñam anusarati. Anusarati follows.
Dhatu is.
Dhatu is sri dhatu. Gato meaning is gato.
Which gana is that?
First gana. This is anit and
Sri Dhatu,
parasmapati.
it is in third gana also. Anyway, you can take it as first gana.
Okay.
Sri, it is in. You can check it out to.
Yeah, it's given. Third also is given.
Anyway, you can give because Anusarati is that, therefore it must be first gana. If it
First
is third
gana.
gana, then duplication would have happened. Anyway, you can take it as first gana.
Okay.
Anusarati. Meaning is
follows. Gato. Yeah, gato.
Okay.
Ka anusarati, patni anusarati, kim anusarati, agyam anusarati, kasya agyam, patyuho agyam anusarati.
The Pati Shabda, remember that is declension is different from the normal.
Pati, patyuhu, patyah.
Pati, no. See that Shabda? Pati Shabda
Patihi,
is not.
yeah, patihi, pati, patayah.
From
Patihi, pati, patayah.
Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, I think it is the forms
Nadya,
of.
nadi shabda.
Yes. Yes, that is. Okay, good. Continue.
Okay, now I have to tell Dvivachanam. Yeah, Dvivachanam.
Yes.
Patni. Okay. Patnyau. Yeah, Patnyau. Patyuhu agyam anusaratah. Patnyah. Patnyah patyuhu agyam anusaranti.
Yes.
Then Lung will be anusarat. So no. Plus here I have a doubt. Anu plus asarat will come, right?
Very good. Yes.
So here yan sandhi. So is it correct? Anvasarat.
That is a form. Yes.
Okay.
Upasarga to be added after adding the atagama.
Yeah.
Because agama that becomes tadguni bhutaha. Agama will become a part of the anga. First is agama is antaranga karya. That should be added. Then only upasarga to be added. Therefore, anu plus at or anu plus at, whatever agama is, then you end sandhi will happen. So it's correct what you said. Anvasarat.
Okay. So patni patyuhu agyam anvasarat. Patnyo patyuhu agyam anvasaratam. Patnyah patyuhu agyam anvasaran.
Yes.
Then lot lakara पत्नी पत्युः आज्ञाम् अनुसरतु पत्न्यौ पत्युः आज्ञाम् अनुसरताम् पत्न्यः पत्युः आज्ञाम् अनुसरन्तु.
Yes.
If it is ling lakara, patni patni patyuh आज्ञाम् अनुसरेत्
Anusaret.
अनुसरेत् पत्न्यौ पत्युः आज्ञाम् अनुसरेताम् बहुवचनं पत्न्यः पत्युः आज्ञाम् अनुसरेयुः.
Yes.
Then shatru will be shatru form is patni, so anusaranti patni, so patyuhu agyam anusaranti patni asti. Karmani prayoga is anusriyate.
Yes.
So patnya
Sru plus, you check the,
Yeah.
you check the, that Karmani
yeah.
chat. Yeah.
Yeah, or Rikaranta Dhatus becomes ear. Kru becomes ki.
Yeah.
Kir.
Anusriyate.
Anusriyate. So patnya patyuhu agnya anusri. No. Agyam anusriyate. Then no, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Agnya anusriyate. Ek pratama vibhakti only. Anusriyate.
Agnya is the karma. So Agnya Anusriyate. Kaya Patnya.
Patnya.
Okay.
Then Shatru Karmani will be Anusarantya. Patyuhu Agnya Anusarantya. Nadya, like that.
Yes.
Agnya is Strilinga Shabda.
Patnya Anusarantya Patnya Patyiga Agnya Bhuyate. Yes.
Okay. Then Tavatu is Patni Patyuhu Agyam Anusritavati. Is it correct? Anusritavati.
Srutavati. Yes.
Then Ta Pratya is Patnya Patyuhu Agnya Anusrita.
Anusrita.
Then Lit will be I'm not sure. Shoshyati is correct.
No.
No,
Why Sroshyati? Sru will
I
become
don't know.
Sru plus Sya will become Guna will happen. So what will happen to Sru?
Anusra Ar will come.
Yes.
Ru will become Ar. So
Anusar plus Set Agama Anusari.
Anusarishyati.
Anusarishyati. That's a form.
Okay. Anusarishyati.
Anusarishyati. So
Okay.
that is Anusarishyati.
Then Trich form is
Yeah. Still, here also Guna will happen. The form will become. Again, it is no. Setagama. Sar Stru becomes Sar. Sar plus Tru. Saritru. So Sarita, Saritaro, Sarita. But okay, it's Srilinga. Okay. Trich is okay. Trich you add, you get a Shabda Pullinga. Pullinga decline should be Sarita, Saritaro, Saritara. In Srilinga will become Saritri, Adi Shabdavati. Sru plus Trich. Okay. So Sru plus Trich. Guna will happen. Sru will become Sar.
Sar.
Tru is Adhatuka Pratyaya, Itagama will come. So becomes Saritru. Saritru is a Pradiparika. In Pullinga, it decline should be Sarita, Saritaru, Saritaraha. Right?
Excuse me, Sharanji.
Srilinga, it would be Saritri. If you add E Pratyaya, Saritri, Saritrio, Saritriyaha, the form would be. Yes.
Dhatu Kosha says it's an Anit Dhatu.
Yeah. Anit. Yeah, correct.
Unless
I think it will take Itagama. Dhatu Kosha says fine.
but it still takes Nitagama.
I think it will take it. That takes ita.
Okay.
Okay. That. Let me check. Yes, it is anit dhatu. Okay, it's not a, sorry, it is form is not it, it is anit. Okay, then it becomes sartr. The form is sartr. The form is sartr. Sr plus trich, then it becomes sar. The sartr is a pradipadika. Okay, then sarta, sartaro, sartaraha. And Srilinga form would be sartri, sartri, sartryo, sartriyaha. Yes.
And then
Correct.
lit will also change.
Mhm.
In lit form also,
No, why should it change?
there itagama will come.
That there itagama will come. Fasya is that there itagama it comes. Sarishyati the form is.
Okay.
That doesn't change.
Okay.
This it vyavastha we have to see separately. That somewhere it comes because sarishyati the form is there. Okay, for this trich it doesn't get itagama because the form is given like that. Sarta, the form is sarta, is the sarta, sartri. In Litakara, the form is sarishyati, anusarishyati, the form is there. You have to check, maybe some rule is there for this.
Sorry to interpret. Even for gam dhatu, though it is anit, we were saying gamishyati. There also we were saying itagama.
Yeah, that Ganeshat, yes.
No, where to
So-
add itagama?
No, itagama,
That is,
but it doesn't become Gamitra, it becomes Gantru only. There you don't have itagama.
yeah,
Right?
that is different, yeah.
So,
But for lit, we say gamishyati. So there you add itagama.
so this we
right?
are in the it vyavastha. If you see the study it vyavastha, this will become clear. But we will see that later. The form you can know now. So it is trich with the trich. The form is sartr, and rit form is sarishyati. Okay. So it vyavastha I'll explain later. Okay. Yes, fine. The next one.
So this will be what, Shalji? Anu?
Which one?
The last one with Sri Dhatu. Trich with Sri Dhatu will be
Anusartr
Anusar.
form will be.
Okay,
The form
thank
would
you.
be Anusartr. And Rit Lakara already you have done. Then Sri plus Ta Pratyaya Anusrita. I think you did write it also, right? Anusrita. Sri plus Ta Pratyaya Anusrita, Anusrita, or Anusrita, Anusritavati.
Anusrita, I said.
Yeah, Anusrita and Tavata is Anusritavati.
Yeah.
Okay. This Sridhatu, the form is Tavya and the Tum and all Sartum. So Sartum, it's not Saritum. So being anit, the form is Sartum, Srutva, Upasrutya, all those forms are there. So it is anit dhatu. From the form, sometimes you can, if you don't know what it is, from the form you can make out. But in the case of lit lakara, itagama bhavati. In the case of some kridanta, we have to see the it vyavastha where the itagama is negated. That we will see later. The next one, next person. The next person is Krishna.
Yes. पुत्रः पितुः आज्ञया जामातुः गृहात् स्वसारम् आनयति. क्रियापदम is आनयति नी धातु
Neej prapane, I think. Yeah.
नीच प्रापणे भवादिगणा.
It's Ubhayapadi.
Hmm.
Neej is Ubhayapadi. Yeah. Okay.
So कः आनयति, पुत्रः आनयति, काम् आनयति, स्वसारम् आनयति, प्रातिपदिकं स्वसृ.
Swasara is a different declension, different from Matra.
स्वसारः जी.
Yeah. It's not like Matra. Forms are different. Swasaram, Swasarav, Swastra, Swasra, Swasrubhyam, Swasrubhiki. The declension would be different from Matra Shabda. Okay.
स्वसारम् अपि पुत्रः स्वसारम् आनयति, कस्मात् आनयति, जामातुः गृहात् स्वसारम् आनयति,
Gृहात् आनयति. Kasya Gृहात् Jamatuh Gृहात्. Okay. Please continue.
कस्य आज्ञया आनयति, पितुः आज्ञया जामातुः गृहात् स्वसारम् आनयति. So now should I do बहुवचनम द्विवचनम जी?
You can do, yes. Putraha, putro, simple one.
Okay, so lat lakara dvivachana would be putrau pituhu agneya jamatuhu gृहात् स्वसारम् आनयतः. बहुवचनम would be
Putraha anayanti, can say.
पुत्राः आनयन्ति.
So it is Ubhayapadi. So anayate also is there. Anayate.
आनयन्ते in बहुवचनम.
Anayate, yes. So now you have got all the lakaras. Ubhayapadi, being Ubhayapadi. So lang lakara.
Lang would be so
It is parasmepadi, taking to be a parasmepadi.
So upasarga plus atagama plus ni. So anayat would be the lang parasmepadi.
Yes, putraha anayat.
Putraha anayat. Putrau anayatam. Putraha anayan. Lot would be nayatu. Anayatu. So putraha anayatu. Anayatam anayantu. So putraha anayantu. Vidilang would be nayet. So putraha anayetam, putraha anayantam. No.
Putraha anayet, putro anayetam, putraha anayeyuhu.
Anayeyuhu.
Right?
Anayeyuhu.
So the same dhatu, ni dhatu, in lang lakara, atmanepadi. Because it's
Atmanepadi would be anayata.
Anayata.
Anayata, putraha anayata, putrau anayetam, putraha anayantam.
Anayanta.
Anayanta.
Then lot.
Lot in Atmanepadi would be
Anayatam. Putraha anayatam.
Anayatam. Putraha anayatam.
Putraha pituhu agneya jamatu swasaram anayatam. That is son bring sister from the house of the Jamatu. Jamatu is
brother-in-law.
By the order of the father. Okay.
So Lot Atmanepadi would be putraha anayatam, putrau anayetam, putraha anayantam.
Anayantam.
Litlakara would be
This
ling plus
ling lakara would be
ling Atmanepadi would be
anayeta.
Anayeta. Okay, anayeta. Anayeta.
आनये याताम्
आनयेत आनये याताम् आनये आनयेरन्
पुत्रः आनयेरन् पुत्रौ आनये
आनयेत्
याताम्
याताम् पुत्राः
पुत्रः
आनयेरन्
okay
Litlakara would be ni plus ya, so guna will happen. So ne, so neshyati nesh
yes neshyati is a form
neshyati neshyatah neshyanti.
Yes.
Parasmepadi. Atmanepadi would be
neshyate
neshyate neshyate
neshyate
neshyate neshyate neshyante.
yes then other forms you can do then Shatru will be the sentence
Shatru Pratipadikam would be Nayat.
yes remember the sentence Putraha Pituhu Agneya Jamatu Sasaram Anayati. So Shatru would be now Shatru form will be
So Putraha no Putraha so Anayat so Anayan so Anayan so Putraha Pituhu Agneya Jamatuhu Grahat Swasaram Anayan
Anayan Asti.
Anayan Asti.
The same would be in the Tritiya, Shatru Tritiya.
So Anayatha. So Anayatha Putrena Anayatha.
Anayata Putrena Bhuyate. The sentence if you want to bring it later. Anayata Putrena
Bhuyate.
Pituhu Jamat
Grahachasaram
Bhuyate. Then
Bhuyate.
Karmani would be
Dhatu is Nayati, so Anayati. So A plus Ni plus Yak. So
Aniyate.
Aniyate.
Yes.
So Putrena
Putrana Aniyate. Yes.
Aniyate.
Which will go in Pratama?
Swasaram. So that will be Swasa Aniyate.
Other things will remain same. Putrena Pituhu Agneya Jamatuhu Virat Sasa Aniyate. Right? Okay. Then
Tavatu would be Pratipadikam would be Ni plus Tavatu.
and if you want to, because being this Ubepadi, you can use Shanach also. Right? You can use Shanach. So you need the Chatranta Nayat. No, Shanach would be Nayamanaha. Right? Nayamanaha Putraha, you can say. Asti. Not, Ni plus Shatru plus will become the form.
Nayamana? Okay, Shap will come. So Ni will become Ne, so Nayamana. Okay.
Oh, you're thinking Niyamana. Niyamana is Karman. Okay. I think you're thinking Niyamana.
Yeah.
Niyamana is Karmani Shanach. And this Dhatu being Ubepadi, in Kartari Shanach, the form would be Nayamana. Putraha Nayamanaha Asti. Putrena Nayamanena Bhuyate. That is Kartari. Okay. Niyamanaha is different. Niyamanaha is Karmani Shanach.
Okay, that's the guna what happened, correct.
There it is Niyamanaha. What is the meaning of Niyamanaha? Nayamanaha is the son who is bringing. Niyamanaha is that one which was brought. Which was brought by someone. Okay.
The son.
So Niyamanaha will refer to what? Swasara. No. Putraha, if it is, then what is the difference between Karmani Shanach and Kartari Shanach? Putraha Nayamanaha Asti, that is okay. Putraha Nayamanaha Asti or Putraha Nayan Asti, that is Kartari, right? The Putra who is bringing, the bringing Putra, the bringing son, the son who is bringing. Niyamana, when you say in the sentence, who is brought?
Oh, the karma. Okay. The
Swasa.
sasaram. Swasa.
So, swasa niyamanaha putrena. Putrena niyamanaha niyamana swasa it will be.
Srilingam.
Sister
Swasa
which
niyamana.
was brought by, or who is being brought by the son. Niyamana swasa. If at all, if you use karmani shamit. Okay. Then tavatu would be.
Tavatu would be ni. Pratipadikam would be ni plus tavat. So I think this ni tavat is the pratipadikam. So nitavan.
Yes, nitavan.
Nitavan. So putraha nitavan. Sasaram nitavan. Ta pratyava would be ni plus tha. Nita. Nita is a pratipadikam ji.
Nita only, yes. It become
Nita.
Nita. Swasa is Srilingam. Putrena swasa Nita. Other words will remain as it is. What will maybe let it be there. We're not interested. Putrena swasa Nita. Right? Then Trichu, I think you know. Ni plus Trichu will become.
Neta.
Yes, Netru Shabda.
Netru, Neta.
Okay, this neat prapane, is it the set or anit? It's also anit that. Right? It's anit.
So anit means no itagama.
No ita. So ni becomes ne. Then neshyati. Their form is neshyati. There doesn't itagama. So that's why it vyavastha we have to study. Then you will see where it will come. Where it will not come. In fact, I told you before, dhatu is given as it and anit, but really the pratyaya is that which takes it. Adhatu baladi pratyaya only takes it, but that condition is subject to this the vyavastha of the it. We have to see that. By that it applies. So neshyati is not there. Not the ni becomes ne because of the guna. Ni plus then ishyati, you will not get naya ishyati, something will come, but the form is neshyati only. Therefore, in the Rit Lakara, you don't get the itagama for sya pratyaya. Neshyati is a form. Okay, that to be studied later. But now you understand the form. Just be familiar with the form. Then this Trich we have seen. Then tum will be netum. Ka will be nitva. Right? We can form the, I think I told you this, we can form the future participle also. We can have the future participle possible. That is neshyat become pratipadika. Neshyan, neshyanto, neshyantaha, neshyantam, neshyanto, neshyataha. Future participle. Like Shatra. Shatra we have, right? Shatra is nayan, nayanto. Similarly, nation for all the dhatus, whatever we have seen. Similarly, gamishyat is a pratipadika. Gamishan, gamishyanto, gamishyanta. So all these would be a the gamishyat, gamishan, gamishanto, gamishantaha. It will be this shap will be there. So shap will be there. Therefore, it is like the first gana only. Everything will fall under the first gana. The Strilinga also, Gamishan will become Gamishanti, becomes a Pratipadika. Sorry, Gamishyati becomes a Pratipadika. Right, we have seen that. Gam become Gami, Gami plus, then Shap plus, then Shatru.
Yes.
Gam. Okay. not shap, sorry, sya will come. Gami plus sya plus then shatru. Okay, anyway. That is done. The next sentence.
Yes, Sharanji. Vayam shakatasya shabdam akarnayamaha.
Yes.
Aham shakatasya shabdam akarnayami. So and avam.
This dhatu also 10th gana, right? Dhatu is karna dhatu. Karnayati, karnayataha, karnayati. You can check the meaning. Meaning of the dhatu.
Karna is given in the dhatu.
Dhatu is given, yes, 10th gana. Must be 10th gana.
Vedane is given for meaning, but here it is.
Vedane means to Vedane, right? Vedane, Churadigana.
Pierce.
Here,
Here, Tav Upasarga meaning changes.
Meaning changes, yes. Vedane, that is the meaning, Churadigana. Akarna, Tav Upasarga, it means to hear, to listen. So, Akarnayati. Ubevadi. So, you have, you can tell the forms of other lakaras in Ubevadi. Akarnayati. Okay, please do.
Yeah.
Oh, Uttama Purusha. Okay, remember Uttama Purusha.
So, then avam shakatasya shabdam akarnayavaha. Then Atmanepadi will be aham shakatasya shabdam akarnayate. Sorry, akarnaye. Sorry, akarnaye.
You are doing Lang Lakara, right?
Sorry, sir.
No. Which one you are doing now?
No, Latlakara. This.
Latlakara, just now you did. Okay. Latlakara,
No.
Atmanepadi. Yes. Yeah, please do. Latlakara, Atmanepadi form is Akarne, right?
Akarne. Yeah, sorry.
So, Vayam Shakatasya Shabdam. Vayam Shabdam. You can just say Vayam Shabdam Akarne. Yeah.
Then
sorry, not Akarne. Vayam
no,
is Agam Akarne. Vayam
Akarna Mahe.
Akarna Mahe. Okay. Vayam Akarna Mahe. Agam Akarne. Yes.
Then Langlakara will be all the three vachanas, Sharanji.
Yeah. Vayam is there. Avam. You say Avam Akarna Mahe in anyway Latlakara. Then
Langlakara will be.
Langlakara Parasmepadi.
That is Aham Shakatasya Shabdam so Akarna.
Okay, 1 minute. In this, okay, just missed one point. This is 10th Gana, right? So 10th Gana, therefore, the form in the Akarnaye, Agam, not Akarne, okay. It will be Akarnaye, then Avam Akarna Yavahe, then Vayam Akarna Yamahe. Okay, this is not right. 10th Gana, Nich will come. Therefore, Karnaya, the Dhatu will become Karnaya. So therefore, Agam Karnaye, Akarnaye, Agam Akarna Yavahe. I mean Avam, so not Agam. Avam Akarna Yavahe. Then Vayam Akarna Yamahe. So Akarnaye, Akarna Yavahe, Akarna Yamahe. Agam Akarnaye, Avam Akarna Yavahe, Vayam Akarna Yamahe. So don't forget, Dhatu is, you can take remember the Dhatu to be Karnaya, then mistake will not come.
Yeah.
Then Lang Lakara will be
Parasmepadi. Aham Shakatasya Shabdam Akarnayam. Then
yes.
Avam will be Akarnayava. Then Vayam Akarnayama. This is Parasmepadi. Then Atmanepadi Aham Akarnay, Akarnaye,
Yes. So akarnaye. Yes. The form is
Akarnaye.
akarnaye.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then Akarnay, Avam Akarnaya Vahi.
Yes.
Then Vayam Akarnaya Mahi.
Akarnayama. Yeah, it's correct.
Then Ling Lakara will be
Parasmepadi.
Parasmaipati. Akarnayam. No. Akarnayam. Sorry.
No. Akarnayani. You're doing lot.
Oh,
First you do
no.
lot.
Linga is it. Oh, sorry.
You follow the same order, lot, and then finally link we can do.
Okay. Yeah. Akarnayani aham. Avam Akarnayava. Vayam Akarnayama. That is. Then Akarnayatam. So aham Akarnayatam. This is Atmanepati lot.
No. Agam is there. So for akarnayai. Remember, Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha.
Yeah.
Right.
So Akarnay. Karnay.
Akarnayai. It will be.
Akarnayai. Yeah. So Akarnayai. Avam Akarnavahai.
Akarnayavahai.
Oh, Akarnayavahai. Then Vayam Akarnayamahai.
Yes.
Then Ling will be Akarnayeyam. Parasmaipati aham. Akarnayeva. Avam Akarnayeva. Vayam Akarnayema. That is Ling Lakara Parasmai.
Good. Yeah.
Atmanepati will be Akarnayeya.
Iya, Ivahi, Imahi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then Akarnaye Vahi Avam. Vayam Akarnaye Mahi. Vayam.
Yes.
Yeah. Then Shatranta will be Akarnayat. So Pratipadikam. Akarnaya. Vayam is there. So plural. Bhagavachana Akarnayantah.
Akarnayantaha, or you can
Akarnayantaha. Santi.
or if it is Strilinga, Vayam.
Karnayat. Akarnayat. Sorry. Karnayanti. So Akarnayantyaha.
Akarnayantaha.
Vayam Shaktasya Akarnayantyaha Santi.
Okay.
Then yeah. Karmani Shatru will Karmani form will be Asmabhihi Shakatasya Shabdaha Akarnyate.
Akarnyate. Yes.
Yeah. Then Shatru Karmani Shatru will be Akarnayat. Akarnayata. Sorry. Akarnayat bihi asmabhihi shakatasya shabdaha bhuyati. That is.
Okay. Bhuyate.
Then Tavatu will be Karnitavat. Is it correct, Sharanji?
Yes, I think it is said dhatu. Right. So therefore.
Yeah, said it is. Yeah.
Yes.
So Karnitavat is the Pratipadikam. So
Karnitavan.
Karnitavantaha Vayam, Karnitavantaha or Karnitavatyaha.
Yes.
If it is Strilinga. Then Ta Pratyaya will be Shabdaha Akarnitaha. Asmabhihi Shakatasya Shabdaha Akarnitaha.
Akarnitaha. Red form will be.
Rit will be, I thought it is Akarnishyati.
Akarnayishyati.
Oh, Karnayishyati. Okay.
Patayishyati. Right? So,
yeah.
Karnayishyati. Akarnayishyati. So Karni it will become Karni plus Ya plus Karni will become Karne.
Karnay.
Then Itagama will come. Then this will happen. Karnayishyati. 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 Karnayishyataha. Karnayishyanti. And
then
Karnayishyati, that lit form, lit set, the future participle. So karna ishyat is a pratipadika. If at all, if you say the future continuous participle.
Hmm.
Karna ishyat, karna ishyanto, karna ishyantaha. If it is Strilinga, it will become karna ishyanti pratipadika. Right? Okay, fine. Then is Trich you said. Yes, Trich.
Trich also itagama. So akarnitru.
Karni
Karnaitru.
Karni will become Karnayitra. Yes. Karnayitra. Karnagita, Karnagitaro, Karnagita. Akarnagitaro, Akarnagitaraha.
Yeah. Then lep will come. Karna. So lep. Akarnya.
Sorry. Yeah. Akarnya.
Yep.
Yes. Akarnya.
Akarnya.
It is
Then
Twa.
because A Vipasarga is there, so it is lep.
It will not come. Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Yes.
Then Tumum will be Akarnayitum.
Tumun. Akarnayitum. Yes.
Yeah.
Akarnayitum. Okay. I think this original Mani Karnika. Karnika comes from this dhatu only. Mani Karnika got in Kashi. Karnika. It is related to this Karnika. Hey, okay. Then the next one, the next Vakya.
Yes, Shanji.
The next Vakya in this lesson. Yes.
Yes, Shanji.
Last one.
Yuyam dhenoh kshiram pibatha.
Dhatu is?
Dhatu is pa dhatu, first gana.
Pa pane, right?
Pane, yes, pa pane, first gana. Parasmepadi dhatu, anit.
You can always tell this name, the dhatu in Sanskritam, so that you refer the dhatu pata. Pa pane. Okay.
Pa pane.
And the pa is in the other gana also, different meanings. Did you check that? Pa is in, pa means palayati, that is in the sense of protection. Rakshane also is there, I think, pa, to protect. Anyway, first gana or other gana, no. But the meaning of Rakshanam, it is there. Anyway, in this year, it is pa is to drink pane. Okay.
So, Pibata is the Kriyapadam. So
you have to do now Madhyama Purusha.
Madhyama Purusha, yes.
Yes.
So Ke Pibata, Yuyam Pibata, and Kim Pibata will be Kshiram Pibata. And Kshiram, Kasam Kshiram Pibata, Dhenoh Kshiram Pibata. So Yuyam Dhenoh Kshiram Pibata.
Yes.
And Tvam Dhenoh Kshiram Pibasi, and Yuvam Dhenoh Kshiram Pibataha.
So remember the Shabda. No? Okay.
Yes,
it's a line, it's a sentence. Yuyam Dhenoh Kshiram Pibata. Okay. Other lakaras. Maybe other lakara example I will type. In next class I'll do. You can
so
lang
lang will be Tvam Kshira Dhenoh Kshiram Apibaha.
Yes.
Then Yuvam Dhenoh Kshiram Apibatam. And Yuyam Dhenoh Kshiram Apibata.
Okay.
Then Lot will be Piba.
Yes.
Tvam Piba. Yuvam Pibatam. And Yuyam Pibata. Then Ling Lakara will be Pibehe. Tvam Pibehe. Yuvam Pibetam. And Yuyam Pibeta.
Okay.
Then Shatra will be Dhenoh Kshiram Pibantaha Yuyam Sta.
Yes.
Pibantaha Yuyam Sta. Then Karmani will be Dhenoh Kshiram Kshira. Sorry, Kshiram will be Kshiram only. So Dhenoh Kshiram.
Kshiram. Yes.
Yushma Bihi Piyate. Then if you put Shatra there, Dhenoh क्षीरं पिबद्भिः युष्माभिः भूयते.
Yes.
Then if you take tavatu pratyaya, so deno kshiram yuyam pitavantaha.
Yes, correct.
Pitavantaha. And ta pratyaya will be kshiram pitam.
Yes, kshiram pitam.
Kshiram pitam. So deno kshiram pitam.
Red
Then
form will be,
rit will be, I think it's pasyati.
I think we have seen before. Yes, pasyati.
Pasyati.
Yes. Pasyasi, pasyasi. From pasyasi, then
Tvam pasyasi. So
yuvam
yuyam
okay.
pasyataha.
Yuvam pasyataha.
Yuyam pasyanti.
Pasyatha.
Oh, sorry. Madhyam Purusha. Pasyatha.
Yes. Then trich would be,
Trish would be pasya.
no, trich pratyaya. Trich. With denoting the karta. So pa plus trich will become patra.
Patra.
Yeah, it is. So I need the for patra. Pata, pataro, pataraha. The drinker. Pata.
Drinker. Patra.
If it is Srilinga, patri.
Patri.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
Surapana patri. I can say. Right.
Alcohol drinker.
Yeah, surapana pata surapana patri. Okay. Then pa plus twa, I think you know. Pa plus twa will become. There pa is followed by kit pratyaya. We have seen that it will be pitwa.
Pitwa.
Akara will be replaced by pitwa.
So pitwa.
Yes. If it is with upasarga and followed by yep, that is simple. That nothing happens there. So with any upasarga plus pa plus ya will become pa ya with upasarga. Whatever with upasarga. If it is ni upasarga ni pa ya, the form will be like that.
Yes.
Okay. But this is so many other Krudanta forms possible, but not now. We can do this is a little bit too much. Then the next part of the lesson, which is, I think this is over, the exercise. Next person, Sumati, you can just do karmani. Okay. Prashnaha.
Prashnaha duhita kasya griham gachati. So here it will be duhitra kasya griham gamyate.
Good.
Then mata kasyaha shishum lalayati. Matra kasyaha shishum lalyate.
Shishu, okay.
Then Sishavaha kasam ganena tushyanti. So this will be Sishubhihi kasam ganena tushyate.
Okay.
Then fourth one is Patni kasya agnyam anusarati. Patinya kasya agna anusriyate.
Anustriyate, yeah.
Yeah. Then fifth one is Putraha kasya grihat kam anayati. It will be Putrena kasya grihat aniyate.
Yes. Kam is it? Ka aniyate.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ka aniyate. I'm sorry. Yeah. The next one is Yum kasya shabdam. It will be shabdam akarniyata.
Akarnayata is it? Correct only.
Akarnayata.
Yum akarnayata.
Akarnayata. It will be Yushma bihi kasya shabdaha Akarniyate.
Akaranyate.
Akarniyate. Okay. Akarniyate.
Yes.
Then next one is Vayam Kasyaha Shiram Pibhamaha. So that will become Asmabihi Kasyaha Shiram Pasyate.
Not pasyate. It's not lutlakara.
Piyate, I'm sorry,
Piyate.
Piyate. I'm sorry. Piyate.
Okay. Okay, next person. Before that, you have the book Hit Vyavastha by Samskrita Bharati.
No, Shalji.
Nobody has a book. Or the Nijanta book.
Yeah, Nijanta is there. Right.
Okay. Sometimes we can see it Vyavastha, but the sutra would be there. But I'll try to explain. Okay, possible with sutra. I'll explain the meaning of the sutra. It Vyavastha and Nijanta. Nijanta Rupam and It Vyavastha. With that book, I think that would help to understand the Vyavastha of it. And let me say with some the sutra also we can talk about that. So we will do that. I have the book. Let us see.
You have a separate book for it by
It
Sanskrit
Vyavastha book,
Bharati.
small book, thin book, very thin book. Samskrita Bharati book is there. It Vyavastha is there. And Nijanta also is there. Nijanta, I
Yeah,
think.
Nijanta. Yeah, that is also. It's a small book I have, Nijanta.
Yeah, I send you. Okay. Then
Thank you, Shan.
the next one, next person can read. After Sumati ji. Commission.
Yeah. Idam shabdasya rupaihi vakyani purayata. Mama mata. So iyam mama mata. Then Krishnasya duhita. Iyam Krishnasya duhita. Shishavaha pamsushu kridanti. So ime may come if it is Strilinga imaha.
Can't be Srilinga. Shishu is
Okay,
pulling out.
ime. Okay, ime shishavaha pamsushu kridanti.
I think palm sushu is
Yeah, the dust particle. Pamsu.
Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam is
Pamsu, no?
palmsu.
Vayam palani. So imani palani kadamaha.
Yes. Okay, you can continue. First 5 you can read.
Uchitan yuktarani. Uchitanu uttarani.
Read again.
Uchitani uttarani vadata. So we have to give answers ourselves. Tvam kutra gachasi. Our own answer. So aham patashalam gachami. Tvam kutra vasasi.
So agam patashalam gachami. That's okay. Some in the spoken way, we say patashala gamyate. Just we say like that. And many times when we say patashala gamyate, maya gamyate. That maya is not said, but it is understood.
Okay.
Kutra gachasi. Patashala gamyate.
Okay, karmani prayog.
You will see that many usage like pattita. Pattita means wait started be reading. So karmani pattita gamyata. Ranim gamyata. Okay, that karmani usage you will see the spoken. Okay, it's okay. The answer is correct.
Tvam kutra vasasi. Aham Chennai nagare avasami. Ramaha kutra gachati. Ramaha nadim gachati. Or mandiram gachati. Kau tava pitarau. Mama pitarau. We have to say the names.
Yes. Mama pitarau.
Mama pitarau. Vaidyanathan Gauri. Santi. Stah. Tava brata kaha. Mama brata Nandakumar asti.
Pitaro is,
Kumaraha.
Pitaro is Ekashesha Vritti. Okay. It is. It's called Ekashesha Vritti. We have many Vrittis. Kradanta Vritti, Tadita Vritti, Sananta Vritti. So this is Ekashesha Vritti. I think Ekashesha Vritti is there in your Dhaturupa Manjari or Shabda Manjari. You can you will find that in that. Maybe after this reading this, I will show that. We'll talk about the Pancha Vrittayaha, 5 types of Vritti. So Pitaro is Ekashesha Vritti. Mata cha Pita cha Pitaro, it becomes Pitaro. Okay, we'll talk about that. Yes. The next person, Krishnan.
As Kim te
Nama.
nama.
Nama. It means,
Kim, what is your name?
yes. They use Tava. Yeah.
Tava.
It is Yushma Shabda, not that Shabda. It is Te Nama means your name. Kim Te Nama.
Okay. Mama Nama Sri Krishna hai. So Kaya Tvam Likasi. Aham Ankanya Likami. Kada Tvam Patam Patasi. Aham Sartha Panchavadane Patam Patami. Tvam Kasya Jnanam Anusarasi.
Agyam, I think. It must be.
Agnya.
Kasya Agyam Anusarasi. Yes.
Aham Mama Guroho Agnya Anusarami.
Agyam Anusarami.
Tava Swasa Kutra Patati. Mama Soha Kutra Pina Patami.
Then this session is done. One minute, I will open the Shabda Manjari. About the Vritti, Pancha Vrittayaha. Either in Shabda Manjari or in Dhaturupa Manjari. I'm not sure. In somewhere it is there at the end of the book. And one more book is there that is in Sanskritam. I think we can also just read all the things in everything is in Sanskritam. Maybe if I have soft copy, I'll share. This Shabda Manjari. When you have time, you can read. We can, yeah, this is, I think it is here. Yeah. Little bit of introduction to Samasa and Pancha Vrityaha, Vritti Nirupam. This is the one. Sanadyanta, Sananta and all we'll see. Slowly we will see. Sananta, Yanganta, young look, all those things. We can start seeing that. Then other lakaras, lung lakara, drang lakara, was introduced. Only thing is Ashyaling, we need to know other thing. Okay. Prayoga Nirupanam. Okay, next, Krishnaji, just read this. You can read this.
Yes,
And you can translate also.
Prayoga Nirupanam. Okay, Prayoga Trividaha, Kartri Prayogaha, Karmani Prayogaha, Bhavya Prayogaha, Kartri Prayogaha, Kartri Prayoge, Kartrvachakat Pratama, Kartrvachakat Dvitiya cha Vibhaktir Bhavati. So Kartri Prayoge, Karta is Pratama Vibhakti. The Karma is Dvitiya or Karma Vachaka Dvitiya.
Vachaka, the word also, it is Vachda to null pratyaya. Aka it becomes. Vach becomes null pratyaya. We will see that. Vach becomes Vacha, Vachaka. Who is replaced by Aka? Vachaka. Kartra Vachaka is, it is active voice sentence. Kartra Vachaka, being active. voice. Therefore, pratama vibhakti bhavati.
Karma is Dvitiya.
Kartru vachakat pratama, karma vachakat dvitiya vibhakti bhavati.
क्रियापदस्य कर्तृपदम् अनुसृत्य पूर्व
Sridhatu, Sri which saw just now, Manusrutya. Okay.
कर्तृपदम् अनुसृत्य
Purusha, it is.
ओके पुरुषवचने च भवतः. So the verb so it depends on the verb and the
No.
linga.
Kriyapadasya bhavatah. Kriyapadasya purusha vachane bhavatah. Kartrapadam anusrutya. Okay. What is
So
the,
the
which is the subject in the sentence?
Karta, the pratama vibhakti.
No. Which is the pratama vibhakti in the sentence? Which is the subject in the sentence?
The kartri, the kartri, the doer, kartri.
No. I'm asking this the very
Oh, in this
word,
sentence. Okay.
the sentence which is in pratama vibhakti.
Kartrupadam anusritya Kartrupadam anusritya.
No. Kartrupadam anusritya can be because Kartrupadam is it is karma. Anusritya is for that. Kartrupadam is a karma. Anusritya is avyaya. You are missing the verb. That is what we have, the very beginning we have been stressing. What is the verb?
Oh, bhavatah.
What is then bhavatah means what? Purusha what vachanam?
Oh, bhavatah is dvivachanam. Okay, dvivachanam laklakara. Therefore,
the sentence you have to see anything is there in dvivachanam. If anything is there in dvivachanam.
Oh, you have to take it from the previous sentence.
No. It is there in the sentence itself. It is there, but you have to see. Anybody?
Is it Purusha Vachane?
Purusha vachanam.
Purushavachané.
Very good.
Oh,
Purusha vachanam, Purusha vachane. It is 1, 2. Samasa. Purusham cha, vachanam cha, Purusha vachane. Itare dvandva samasa. Purusha vachane bhavatah. Right? 2 things are there. What is the subject in the sentence? Purusha vachane bhavatah. Kriyapadasya Purusha vachane bhavatah. Kartrapadam anusrutya. So, the Purusha and Vachana of the Kriyapadam will be in keeping with the Kartrapadam. That's what it says, right? So, Kriyapadam, Purusha and Vachana of Kriyapadam depends on the Purusha and Vachana of the Kriyapadam, the Kartrapadam. That's called Kriyapadasya. In Kartari Prayoga, it is like that. Kriyapadasya Kartrapadam anusrutya. If it is Karmapadam anusrutya, then it becomes Karmani Prayoga.
Karmani.
Okay, then continue.
Yata Gopalaha Gam Rakshati. Ityatra Gam Rakshati. Ityatra Gopalaha Karta Gam Karma iti Drashtavyam.
Drashtavyam is Tavya Pratyam. We saw Drishdhatu. Drashtavyam should be seen. Okay. I think the sentence is very clear. Then next time you can read.
Karturi prayogopi trividah akarmakah sakarmakah dvikarmakah iti. Okay. So there are 3 division, 3 types.
3 types are there in Kartari Prayoga itself, depending on the dhatu. Dhatu could be a sakarmaka, karmaka, dvikarmaka. Dvikarmaka dhatu, we have to see. We will see. Maybe in this context itself, we can see when it comes, either today or maybe next class. So, akarmaka, remember the definition, pala vyapara samaradhikaranatvam, akarmakatvam. Vidhikarana is sakarmakatvam, pala vyapara. Okay, I think you have seen that. Pala vyapara, pala and vyapara, if it falls on the same locus, then the dhatu is akarmaka. If it is a different locus, then it is sakarmaka. Dvikarmaka is dhatu can add to karma. There are some dhatus like that. Like what dhatu? Suppose asking. The Guru asked a question. To whom does he ask? The Shishya. So the question has got two karma. One is this asking has got two karma. One is the question, other one is the Shishya. So there are some dhatus. A list of dhatus you will see it is given. These are dvikarmaka dhatu. That is the dhatu which can take two karmas. Then when you do the prayoga change, that's something interesting will happen. That we'll see. When you do the prayoga, change to karmani, then as we'll see. So there are some dhatus which can take two karma. It's going to come. I think the list is given. Few dhatus only. Some 14 or 15 dhatus are there. Okay, please read it.
यथा यथा चोक्तं कर्तृ कर्म क्रिया युक्तः प्रयोगः स्यात् सकर्मकः.
Very good definition. It is also. Kartru karma kriya yuktaha prayogah sakarmakah syat. What does it mean?
So the kartru karma. So the alignment of the
Yuktaha means that which has.
The dependency between kartru karma and kriya.
No, that's not dependency. That is, a prayoga is called kartari prayoga, and kartari prayoga of three types: sakarmaka, karmaka, vikarmaka. That is referring to the dhatu. Dhatu must have a karta. It has a karma, and it is a kriya. So a sentence where kartru karma kriya is there. Prayoga is the usage. So vakya. So kartru karma kriya, having karta karma and kriya, that prayoga, that sentences is called sakarmaka vakyam. Right? It's called sakarmaka. Yuktaha means endowed with, it is with. So karta will be there. Kriya padam is there. If it is sakarmaka dhatu, karta will be there. Karma will definitely will be there. And of course it is kriya padam. So therefore the action is also used there. So a sentence having this three is called sakarmaka. Similarly, akarmaka is read. Please read.
Akarmakaha karma shunyah. So karma doesn't exist. So karma dvando dvikarmakaha. So if there is no karma, then it is akarmakaha. And there are two karmas, then
Vikarmaka, yes.
Dvikarmakaha iti udaharanani yatha akarmakaha pushpam vikasati suryaha prakashate. Okay.
So kash dhatu, it doesn't have karma. So karma shunya. Therefore sakarmaka prayoga, akarmaka prayoga. Then sakarmaka udaharanam.
Sakarmakaha gopalaha gam rakshati sutaha pitaram vandate.
Yes.
So the karma is here in this.
Karma karta kriya is that.
Yeah,
sakarmaka. Okay.
Dvikarmakaha shishyah guru samshayam prichati. So
Yes.
yeah, so guru and samshayam are karma.
Yes. Next person, Dr. Ramaji can read. So these are the vikarmaka dhatus. You can see vikarmakaha dhavataha. Dukh dhatu, yach, pach, dand, rudhi, prachi. Prachi is prach dhatu. Chi, bru, that is bru. Shasu, ji, mat, musham. Karmayuk syat, akatitam tata syat. Ni also. Ni, khru, krup, vah. All these dhatus, they are vikarmaka dhatus. Okay. These dhatus can take two karmas. Yeah, please read.
कर्मणि प्रयोगः कर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्तृवाचकात् पदात् तृतीया कर्मवाचकात् प्रथमा च विभक्तिः. कर्मणि
कर्तृवाचकात् पदात् तृतीया कर्मवाचकात् प्रथमा च विभक्तिः. Okay. So it means
In Karmani Prayoga, Karta will be in Tritiya and Karma will be in Pratama Vibhakti.
Yeah.
Kriya Padasya Karma Vachakam Anusritya Purusha Vachane cha Bhavataha. Yeah, Kriya Padam depend on the Purusha and Vachana of the Karma. Karma.
Yes. Yes. Kriyapada, Purusha and Vachana of the Kriyapada depends on the Purusha and Vachana of the Karma. Okay.
Karma, yeah. Then Yatha Gopalena Gauhu Rakshyate Ityatra Gopalena Karta Gauhu Karma iti Drashtavyam. Sorry.
Yes. Okay.
Then,
Continue.
okay. Then Dvikarmake Karmani Prayoge tu Apradhana Karma Vachakat Padat Pratama Vibhakti Bhavati.
Yeah, please note this. Vikarmaka Dhatu, we have that Vikram Dhatu can have two karma. So one will be Pradhana Karma, other one will be Gauna Karma. Pradhana or Gauna or Apradhana. One will be the primary, other one will be the secondary. In a Vikarmaka Prayoga, that is Dhatu having two karma. Vikarmaka Dhatu can take two karma. So which is Pradhana, Apradhana, it depends on the Vivaksha of the person. So Pradhana Karma and Apradhana Karma. Pradhana Karma will be going Pratama Vibhakti. Then Apradhana, Apradhana Karma will be Pratama Vibhakti. Pradhana Karma will be Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. So Vikarmake Karmani Prayoga. We are talking about Karmani. Remember, it's not Kartari. Kartari Prayoga, what will happen? Both will be in Karma only. Right? I hope it's clear. In Vikarmaka Dhatu, in Kartari Prayoga, both will be Karmani. Both karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti only. In Kartari Prayoga. I repeat again. Vikarmaka Dhatus will have two karma. The karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti in Kartari Prayoga. There is no problem in Kartari Prayoga. Example, Guru, Shishyam, Krishnam, Prichati, Vakya is that. In Karmani Prayoga, what will happen? In Karmani Prayoga only, this thing comes. In Karmani Prayoga, what will happen? Pradhana Karma and Gauna Karma. Two karmas are there. So Pradhana Karma, what will happen to Pradhana Karma? Pradhana Karma Vachaka Dvitiya and Apradhana Karma will be in Pratama. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, Sharaj.
Okay. Example you see, you will understand. Please read the Vakya again.
Yeah. Dvikarmake Karmani Prayoge tu Apradhana Karma Vachakat Padat Pratama Vibhakti Bhavati Pradhana Karma Vachakat Dvitiya Eva.
Yes.
Yatha Shishyena Guruhu Samshayam Prichyate Ityatra Guruhu Apradhana Karma Samshayam Pradhana Karma iti Prashtavyam.
Yes. Samshayam, what is Pradhana Karma? Therefore, it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya Vibhakti. Yes. Guruhu is Apradhana, so it is in Pratama Vibhakti.
Therefore, Apradhana, Gauna Karma will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Okay. You can note this. And what is the footnote 1? Atra Trayam Vyavastha, Gaune Karmani Dukhyadehe Pradhane Nikakshva Pratama Bhavati iti Sheshaha Kovati. Okay. I'll give an example for all these Vikarmaka Dhatu. In the next class, we can see. Okay. The next person can read the next one. Who is the next person?
Yes, Shanji. Bhave Prayogaha. So, Bhave Prayoge Karmani Prayoga Iva.
No. The Sandhi has happened. You can split Sandhi and read.
So, Bhave Prayoge Karmani
Prayoge only.
Prayoge Iva.
Bhave Prayoge Karmani Prayogaha or Prayoge. What will come?
I think it's Prayogaha.
Bhave Prayoge Karmani Prayogaha Iva. Yes.
Prayogaha Iva. कर्तृवाचकात् पदात् तृतीया विभक्तिः.
Yes.
So
Karma being not there. So like the karmani
just like
prayoga.
just like karmani, it is in kartruvakya will be in tritiya vibhakti.
Kartruvachaka means kartrupada. That karta. Kartruvachakat padat is kartrupadam. That's what kartruvachakat. That vachakat is that which gives the or that which gives the or tells the or indicates the karta. That's called kartruvachakat. It means kartrupada. Kartruvachakat padat means kartrupada. So kartrupadam tritiya vibhakti. Instead of saying kartrupadam, he is saying kartruvachakat padat. Vachadatu means to speak. It means which conveys. So that which conveys the karta. What is that? Kartrupadam. That expression, kartruvachakat, right?
Kartruvachakat, yes.
Kartruvachakat means it's padat means kartrupadam. He is making that into a separate word as a qualifier to padat. Kartruvachakat padat is equal to kartrupadam. Right?
Right. Yatha pushpena vikasyate ityartha pushpena karta karma na asti iti drishtavyam.
Drashtavyam, not drishtavyam.
Drashtavyam.
Okay, it is drashtavyam. Okay.
Drashtavyam.
Ta pratyaya will be drishta. This is tavya pratyaya will be drashtavya. We'll talk about this also later. Okay. Then udaharanani can read.
Udaharanani kartari prayogaha sakarmakaha and karmani prayoga. So Gopalaha gam rakshati. So that becomes Gopalena gauho rakshate.
Gauhu rakshate.
Gauhu.
Gauhu gavahu gavaha gam gavahu gaha. That is go shabda. So prathama vibhakti is gauhu. Dvitiya vibhakti gam. Okay. Yeah, please continue.
So Shishyaha Surun.
No, Guru.
Guru, oh, sorry, it's Gurun. So Shishyaha Gurun Vandate. So Shishyena Guravaha Vandyante.
Yes.
Then Aham Tvam Vande Maya Tvam Vandase.
Vandyase.
Vandyase.
Karmani. Okay.
Then Tvam Mam Namasi Tvaya Aham Namye.
Namyamake. So aham namye.
Namye.
Saluted by me. You are saluted by me. Okay, examples. I think you understand this example. Simple example. Next one, Vikarmaka. Continue.
Vikarmaka and Karmani Prayogaha. So Shishyaha Gurum Samshayam Prichati. Shishyena Guruhu Samshayam Prishyate. Prichate.
It should be chakara. It is there. In fact, yeah is given like that. So the prichyate only. It is chakara.
Prichyate.
So here, which is gauna karma, which is pradhana karma.
So pradhana karma will mean dvitiya vibhakti and gauna karma will mean prathama vibhakti.
Okay.
So here it is samshayam and guru.
Yes.
Shamitanji, how
yes.
to find out which is Prathama,
Vivaksha.
Gauna and
Vivaksha of the speaker. So Shishyaha Prachyate means Shishya has means just he has a question. He asks a question. Whom does he ask? Only will ask. What does he ask? Whom does he ask? So the question he asks, to whom does he ask? That person will win Prathama. So Guruhu Prachyate. Okay, now you see, you see the sentence now. It's very interesting sentence, good sentence. Okay. Shishyaha Gurum Samshayam Prichati. This is Karmani. Suppose if I given the same sentence and asked you to do Karmani, how would you have done that?
So Sishyena.
Good. See, the Guru asked the disciple asked the Guru a question. Then in English, how do you do? The disciple asks a question to the Guru. This is the English, right?
Yeah. The question was asked by The question is asked by the student to the guru.
Okay, a question is asked. Guruhu pritchate. Guru is the asked. What the question? Guruhu pritchate samshayam. Kena shishyena. So samshayam here in this vakya, the pradhana you have to see. Pradhana is asking, means that question is pradhana. To whom does he ask? That is apradhana. It is gauna. So that will be in Prathama Vibhakti. That Pradhana Karma continues to be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Whatever it is there, it continues to be. As it is in Kartari Priyaha, it continues to be. So Samshayam Prichyate. And also, which is Pradhana, Apradhana, it depends on the Vivaksha of the speaker. You decide which is Pradhana, Apradhana. In this context, it is like this.
Samshaya.
You have to, it depends on the speaker. See. Which is Pradhana, Pradhana, who decides? You have to decide. The speaker has to decide, right? Okay, I'll give more examples on this. We will see in the next class.
Okay.
Yeah, please continue.
So Guruhu Shishyam Tvam.
Tattvam. Okay.
Sorry. Tattvam. Shishyam Tattvam. Is it Brute?
Yeah, Brute. All these are
Brute.
Vikarmaka Dhatu. You can see here, it's given. Dukh, Hyaj, Pach, Dand, Rudi, Prach, Chi, Bru. So Prichyate we saw now. Then Bru Dhatu. Bru is to speak. So these are Vikarmaka Dhatus. Okay. So Brute.
So Guruna Shishyaha Tattvam Uchyate.
Uchyate. So Tattvam is the Pradhana. Apradhana is Shishya.
Shishyaha.
Shishyaha Uchyate. Tattvam Uchyate Guruna. Okay. Continue. Then the next one. Akarmaka.
Then Pushpam Vikasati. Pushpena Vikasyate. So Tvam Vardase. Tvaya Vridhyate.
Dhatu is Vrud. Okay.
Vriddat. Grow. Then Aham is
Aham Asmin.
Aham Asmin Grihe Vasami. Maya Asmin Grihe Ushyate.
Yes.
Vasami becomes Ushyate. Sampradhan. Then Balaha Kridanti. Balaihi Kridyate.
Kridyate. Okay. The next one. Next person can read.
Yes, Shreyaji. The various voices are aptly illustrated in the following slokas. Ramo Virajate.
It is a shloka. Okay. You have to see this is a shloka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the shloka. So it is given in each quarter. Ramo Virajate. Yes.
Yeah. What we have to do? Ramo Virajate.
You can read. Yes.
Okay. Ramo Bhumandala.
You can tell the meaning if you know.
Virajate. This is a Kriya Padam. Virajate means
Ramaha Virajate. Rama. Okay. Footnote is given. What is footnote? Okay. Yes, giving corresponding voices in the above shlokas are given. 1, 2, 3 and all. Okay. It is for your reading information. Ramaha Virajate is that it is
Virajate is Akarmaka.
that's what it says. Akarmaka Dhatu. Kartari Prayoga iti. You can read, yeah. Then
Ramo Bhumandala Palayat. Apalayat, is it? Bhumandalam Apalayat.
Yes. So what dhatu is that? Sakarmaka, Rakarmaka, Pal dhatu.
All Sakarmaka.
Sakarmaka. Therefore, Bhumandalam is that. Therefore, it must be Sakarmaka.
Sakarmaka.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's what it says. Okay. Next one,
Okay.
number 3.
The next one is Ramachandro Dashagrivam. Dashagrivam.
Dashagrivam.
Paraloka Manini Nayat.
Paralokam
Aninayat.
Aninayat. Paralokam Aninayat. Okay. Don't worry, Aninayat, what is?
Ah,
Aninayat
Vidhi-
is
Vidhiling, is it?
not Vidhiling. Aninayat,
Oh,
it is duplication has happened.
oh, okay. Ah,
It is Aninayat. Okay, then that it's also Sakarmaka Akarmaka. Aninayat. Nina
Ah.
Ni dhatu is also it is there in this Drikarmaka dhatu. You can see here. Ni Krip Aha. So Ni also Drikarmaka dhatu. It will have two karma. So here in this sentence, two karmas are there. One is Dashagriva, other one is Paraloka.
Paraloka.
So Ramachandraha Dashagrivam referring to Ravana, and the place of destination is Paralokam, right?
Yeah,
Paralokam Aninayat.
Aninayat. Then third one, the next one is Ramena. It will be Ramena.
Uparjitaha Kirtihi.
Uparjitaha
Ramenoparita
Kirtihi.
Kirtihi.
Ramena Upajitaha Kirtihi.
That is one vakya in fact. That is one sentence. What prayoga is that? Ramena Ramena is there.
It's a
Upadita.
Karmani. It's a Karmani.
Karmani prayoga. Kirtihi Upadita. Kirti is Uparjita. It is collected. It is gained. He gained. Upadita. Kirtihi. Gained
Fame. Yeah.
So Ramena is in.
It's in Tritiya Vibhakti. It's a
Tritiya.
Karta, so it's in Tritiya Vibhakti over here. So it's Karmani Prayoga.
Eka Karmaka it is. Okay.
Oh.
Karmani prayoga he says. Okay. Then
Okay.
next
Eka.
one.
Okay. Next one is Ramachandrena Bhuyate.
This is what we have been doing. Bhuyat.
Yeah. It's a
What prayoga is that?
Bhave Prayoga.
Bhave
Because
prayoga.
it's no Karmani over there. Yeah.
Yes. Then next one. Continue. Ramena.
Ramena Kumbhakarnastu.
Then we have to read the
The
continue.
next, I'm sorry, Kumbhakarnastu. That is not very clear. Shapita.
No. Prapita.
Oh.
Prapita. Stridashala. Shalayam. Prapita. Stridashalayam. Okay. Prapita. Kumbhakarnaha. Ramena Kumbhakarnastu. Prapita. Stridashalayam. Right?
Okay, yeah. So it will be, you have two karmas here.
Tridashala, I think by you are sent to Tridashala is Paraloka, I think. Ramena Prapitaha. By Rama, he was made to gain, made to attain. Okay. So Ramena Kumbhakarnaha to Prapitaha. This is also what Prayoga?
It is Karmani Prayoga.
Karmani Prayoga. That's what he says. Karmani
Because
Prayoga.
Ramena is, yeah.
Karmani, it is Dvikarmakaratu. Ramena Kumbhakarna Tridashalayam Prapitaha. Oh, Prapitar, Visarga is there. I don't see Visarga there. Anyway. Oh, Prapitaha Tridasha. Yeah, Visarga is there. Yes. Ramena Kumbhakarnaha Prapitaha. Kumbhakarna was sent by Rama to where? Tridashalayam Prapita. Tridashala is Paraloka. So it is Prapitaha Ramena Tridashalayam. Okay. So this also has got two karma. Prapitaha is there. So one is Tridashala, other one is who is that? Kumbhakarna. So Ramaha sent Kumbhakarna to Swargaloka, therefore Vikarmaka. So Karmani, but it is Karmani Prayoga. Understand?
Okay.
Ramena Kumbhakarna to Tridashalayam Prapitaha. It means here you can see Tridashalayam Prapitaha Rame. Tridashalayam is Pradhana Karma. Kumbhakarna is Apradhana, therefore Pradhamana Bhakti.
Okay.
Pradhamana Bhakti. Okay, you can read the next line quickly. Yes.
Then Shatruna Nahi
Sandadyad. The printing is so bad.
I'm sorry, I'm not able. I think I need to wear my specs.
Sandadyad, then
Sandadyad.
Sushlisht. I also don't know what it is.
Sanvita.
No. Sushlishte-napi sanvina. We have to see that to understand what it is. Shatruna nahi. Nahi shatruna sandadyat. Then Sushlishte-napi sanvina. Okay. I don't know what it is.
No, it is Sandhina.
Sanvina.
I have the book. In my book, it is given Sandhina. Na. Sandhina.
Oh,
San-
Sandhina.
Yeah,
Sandhina.
Sandhina.
Oh, okay. Sandhina. Okay. So it is Shatruna nagi sandadyat Sushlishte-napi sandhina. Okay.
What prayoga is that, Charji?
Sandadyat is Linglakara. It is Kartari prayoga only. Sandadyat.
Kartari prayoga.
Okay. I have to see the shloka really. Okay, to understand this. Okay, I think we can stop here. This shloka I will read and let you read the meaning from here. We'll do that in next class. Because it is not clear also, but to see that shloka. Okay, you can stop here. So you can, if you have time, you can go through this. Then at the end, okay, this is where it started. The vritti, panchavrittis are there. Prithvritti, tatita vritti, sanadyanta dhatu vritti, ekashesha vritti, samasa vritti. We can take up this and do it without the sutra. You can try. Okay, panchavritti. We will do that. So we can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawadaha ji.
Dhanyawadaha.
धन्यवाद जी.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Dhanyawad.
ధన్యవాదాలు.